Hey everybody, Manny Manarath here, founder of It All Starts With You, where we teach you how you can unlock your vegan superpowers. Now, I'm often asked, Manny, I want to become vegan, but I don't know where to begin. It seems like it's too hard, there's too much involved, and it requires too much discipline. Well, I'm here to tell you that that is just not true. It is so easy to be vegan. And it's very, very easy to be a happy, healthy vegan. All it takes is for you to get informed and get some knowledge behind you so that you know the right way to do things and the wrong way to do things. Now, I've been a vegan for over 12 years now, and I can tell you it was not smooth that whole 12 years. I've made lots of mistakes, but through those mistakes, I've worked out how to do the right things as well. And so what I've done is I've put together an ebook where I walk you through how you can start adopting a whole food vegan lifestyle. It is very easy and it's no nonsense. It's very self-explanatory. And what I'd like you to do is put your information in so that you can get instant access to this free ebook on how you can adopt a whole food vegan lifestyle. What we do is we have a look at what you're currently doing, and then I introduce you to the concept of nutrition and how powerful it is, and then I walk you through what is actually included in a vegan lifestyle. So you know what good foods are, serving sizes, and how you can incorporate that into creating a new dietary plan for yourself. Now, there's no calorie counting. Okay, so you don't have to get caught up in feeling deprived or restricted or anything like that. The concept is increasing the nutrient density in your food so that you feel complete, satisfied, and in control of what you eat. You will feel amazing. You will have increased energy, optimal health, and you'll start to feel your clothes will feel differently as well. So don't delay. Enter your information now and get instant access to this e-guide on how to adopt a whole food vegan lifestyle. I'll see you on the other side.